Elevation of boiling point. This is one of the colligative properties of dilute solutions. To study it, first of all, we should know what is boiling point of a liquid. So, boiling point of a liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Let's study this graph now. AB is the vapor pressure curve for pure solvent. As we move from A to B, the temperature goes on increasing and vapor pressure also goes on increasing. Let at B, the vapor pressure of solvent becomes equal to atmospheric pressure P. So the corresponding temperature T naught B, this is the boiling point of pure solvent. Now let's consider the vapor pressure curve of solution CDE. Here also, as we move from C to D to E, the vapor pressure goes on increasing, and at this point E, the vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure and the corresponding temperature is TB. So TB is the boiling point of solution, and this difference is termed, as you can see, delta TB is the elevation of boiling point. So obviously from the graph, TB is greater than T naught B, and the difference between the two is termed as elevation of boiling point. So we know that vapor pressure of solution is lower than that of pure solvent. So the solution has to be heated more to make the vapor pressure equal to atmospheric pressure. Now as we draw here one more graph here. As the vapor pressure goes on decreasing, boiling point increases, and so since lowering of vapor pressure is directly proportional to concentration, this means elevation of boiling point is also directly proportional to concentration. Let's take molality as one of the ways of expressing concentration. So delta TB is directly proportional to M, or we can write down delta TB is equal to this constant Kb into M, where Kb is called molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant.